go to a night market which opens at 5. It's already 5. So, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my time, walk in the mall, and then walk to the train night market, which looks prettier when it's like sundown. So yeah. So I actually visited a cemetery just now. It's in my video. I'll share a link in the description box, so be sure to check it out. And this is my video of going to the night market. So I found a cool place on the way. Welcome to posters. Welcome to the train market. It's a night market, train night market. In where was it again? I forgot the district. Let's go. First of all, I need to find water because I haven't drank like water the whole day and it's been a long day. I made the other video about going to a cemetery and I just need to quench my thirst as soon as possible. The view looks great there. And there's the Harry Potter cafe, which I saw earlier. And here's the castle there. Carabotso. It looks peaceful today, no raining. So I'm going to this side. There's some hippie fashion along with the castle. Like it gets messy in my house, so I don't collect much jewelry. But it is fun to see. Someone gotta love this Donald Duck looks. Some kitten. It's very affordable, I think. It's only 150 baht. Free size, I think. So this one is the restaurant shop. There are no like stalls, you can like sit with chairs, but it's not a food court. For the girls, this is amazing. Stylish clothes. It's really good for the summer, right? Is this pork or beef? Pork or beef? This one. What meat? Oh. These are actually Legos for 2024. I've never seen these before when I was little. Looks cool, but not my thing. Just pause. Okay. Oh. Okay. So I got a water. It's a cool water bottle, which I'll keep. I bought it from that shop, and like she's like, no picture. Where's the shop? Yeah, it was that shop. I said I'm a vlogger. I'll post it on Google, and I don't think she understands, but she said no picture. So she actually had a cool beverages, and it's very affordable. This one's just 10 baht. So I'm finding the right food shop for my dinner. I'm very picky when it comes to food. I don't like want to dine in with a restaurant. Like I don't want to feel like being alone eating in a big shop like this. Like look at the chairs. It's like a dine-in. It's more like for families and friends. So I'm gonna find like a food stall. Look at all these drinks. They're so cool. It's like getting dark. I think I'm glad that I came early because it's hard to film at nighttime. It's not like crowded like Rangkamhang Market. Okay, so this kind of fashion is kind of my favorite, like the bag, the folding bag. It's not made from paper, it's actually fabric. It's really cool. In Terminal 21 you can actually get a lot of design, but here's just what it is. You should definitely buy as a souvenir if you come to Thailand. This is probably foreigners' favorite IKEA. I'm not a fan of it. I'm more of a fan of colors than IKEA. I can't believe that IKEA actually has their own merchandise. Oh, look at that angel up there. No wonder this place feels so safe. I think it's a CD shop, like Record City. I'm not sure. I just like the angel up there. More shirts for just 80 baht. It's brand new, not thrift. There's some flamingos there. Interesting. So I'm inside the castle. It's nothing much actually. Just where you can take pictures. There's upstairs. I don't know what's up there. It looks creepy. Look at this upstairs. Isn't that creepy? There's a moon right there. I wonder what's upstairs. That's so empty. Oh my gosh. Why did people come here? Where did they go? Did they disappear? Seriously? No one. It's like in Rome. It's an empty building. It's like inside the castle. Wow, this is a suicide place. Sorry. I'm just kidding. Wow, it must be really good for music video. It's like a from Rapunzel Castle or something. I wonder why don't they fix inside? Like it's so dangerous looking and dirty. It's like abandoned. So it seems that a lot of girls come here. I wonder if it's because it looks like Rapunzel Castle. Girls are obsessed with castles. Ah, sugoi desho. So I just noticed a window up there, so it's like you can actually go there, I think, in a secret route, but not for people, normal people. You could get lost. It's kind of dangerous as well, so it's so creepy and dark. I don't think there's an access to the upper floor. So I'm going back. It's getting late. I mean, I can't really see when I'm like, how to say it, when it gets darker, my sights are really bad, so This is what you can see. You like it? Flamingos. I still can find some food to eat, seriously. Like one time I came, I think there were food stalls here, but now I can't find them, so it's been hard to find food. I don't want to dine in those restaurants, so like one time I ate like a fried rice where you can choose all the varieties you want, and there was like old items for sale, but now I don't see any of them. So they actually have my favorite chicken over there, but I don't mean the person, but I mean the food. I don't know if I should search for some food and then return to this place. I'll see. So I've decided that I'll just eat the chicken with rice, and if I find more food, I'll try it as well. So yeah. So I'm going back soon, and thanks for watching the video. This is the night view before I get home.